Okay, now that we've discussed the assignment related to codes for the week, let's talk about these other two items. We have something called B50 6A vessel, and we have something called P&ID extra credit. So what exactly are these? Well, you're going to be drawing another vessel for me this week. And the vessel is a horizontal vessel. The vendor drawing can be found in your textbook. It's also available here as a PNG if you want to download it and work on it. I would say use this one because I've made a couple of small adjustments to it. Okay, it's not really a lot different from the column, and in fact it's probably easier than the column drawing because on the column there was some wacky nozzles, right? And on this vessel things are either sticking straight up or straight down. Okay, so your nozzle schedule is up here, tells you the nozzle sizes. What else do we have? We've got a what it looks like when it's all finished example up here, and you'll be drawing a semi-elliptical head on the ends just like we did when we made the fractionation column. Okay, and if you need a refresher on how to make that semi-elliptical head, take a look in chapter 6 under equipment. There's a step-by-step on how to do that. Okay, so this is the drawing assignment for the week that goes along with learning about code. And then we wanted to have an opportunity to maybe have a little extra credit work for people that want it. So now this is not required. This is totally free and clear. If you want to do it, great. If you can't do it, I understand. Okay, on your textbook, in your textbook, there are several pages that show different P&IDs, and they start on page 148. Right, so here's one of them. We've got a heater, and we've got some line work going into it. This is one of the P&IDs that you can do for extra credit. Here's another one on page 149. 150, we have another P&ID for Unit 1, which is not what we're working on, but you know, there are similar elements, and you might be able to actually use some of the elements from your other drawing in this drawing. On 151 here, this is the one we are doing. Okay, so we're not going to redo it for extra credit. This is the one you already did. But 150, 149, and 148 are all fair game. Additionally, on 152, we've got a P&ID. 153, P&ID. And that gives you 5 P&IDs. If you are bored, desperate, got some time, want to get some extra credit, I will take any of those for extra credit. Okay, so this is our work for the week. We're doing a drawing of a piece of equipment. We're doing some research into codes and how codes work. You're going to give me some answers submitted, and if you have any questions, remember we've got open office hours between 11 and 12 on Monday and Tuesday, and we've got open office hours between 3 and 4 on Wednesday and Thursday on that Zoom meeting invitation I sent you. So you don't have to come to those, but if you'd like to log in, you want to see a couple of friendly faces, you want to ask questions, you want to get clarifications, you'll be able to do so using the Zoom environment. All right, so good luck, and we'll talk to you very soon.